2. The Earth as a globe. Hello dudes! The most accurate world map is a globe. A globe is a three-dimensional scale model of Earth. A globe can represent surface features, directions, and distances more accurately than a flat map. The sphericity of the Earth was established by Greek astronomy in the 3rd century BC, and the earliest terrestrial globe appeared from that period. When you look at a globe, you can truly see the way the world looks in all of its complexity. In this lesson, you will learn about the globe.
2. The Earth as a globe. If we want to see the Earth, we will not be able to go to space just to see it. We can know the Earth by just seeing it in picture. In order to familiarize the Earth, we have a mini model of the Earth. This model of the Earth is called a globe. The globe looks like a big ball, just like the Earth. We can only see one half of the globe at a time. When we rotate it, we can also see its other side. All the different forms of the Earth can be seen on the globe.
Poles. The 2 points which hold the globe and allow it to rotate are called the poles. The upper pole is called the North Pole and the lower pole is called the South Pole.
Latitudes and longitudes. There are some horizontal and vertical lines on the globe. The horizontal lines drawn from east to west are called the latitudes. The vertical lines drawn from north to south are called the longitudes. The longest latitude is called the equator. The latitudes and the longitudes are imaginary lines. The imaginary line that joins the poles is called the axis. The longitudes and the latitudes help us to locate places. The longitudes help us to calculate the time. Maps. The globe has a curved surface and so we cannot find all the parts at a glance. In order to overcome such difficulty, the globe is represented on a flat surface which is called as the map. There are many kinds of maps such as physical maps, political maps, outline maps, etc. These maps represent the whole world or only a part of it. A book of maps is called an atlas. Directions. There are 4 directions. They are north, south, east, west. These directions are given to understand the map. The upper side of the map will always show north. The lower side of the map will always show south. The right side of the map will always show east. The left side of the map will always show west. The universal fact is that the sun always rises in the east and sets in the west. Let's revise the important points. 1. The mini model of the Earth is called a globe. 2. The 2 points which hold the globe and allow it to rotate are called poles. The upper pole is called North Pole and the lower pole is called South Pole. 3. The horizontal lines drawn from east to west are called latitudes, and the vertical lines drawn from north to south are called longitudes. 4. The globe represented on a flat surface is called a map. 5. There are four directions: east, west, north and south.